Okay, so once you've got more than one agent running, the gateway needs to know who handles what. Right, that is the whole point of bindings. Top-level key in your configuration. Top-level concept too, really worth getting your head around. So go ahead, open up your OpenClaw.json file, look for the bindings key. If you have not configured any bindings yet, you may not even have it in there. And that is fine. The default behavior is just every message goes to the main agent. Simple. The bindings key is an array. Each entry is an object with two fields. Agent ID, that is the identifier of the agent, the rule roots to, and match, the criteria that decide which messages this rule actually applies to. Two fields, that is it. Let me describe a simple example. Walk you through one. The first entry says, route messages to the coding agent when the channel is Discord and the guild ID is some specific guild and the user has the role dev. Okay, second entry, route to the work agent when the channel is Slack and the team ID is some specific team. Third entry, route to the personal agent when the channel is Telegram and the peer is a direct message from a specific user. 3 rules, 3 different agents, pretty clean. Now, most specific match wins. So the gateway evaluates the rules in order and the most specific one that matches takes effect. If nothing matches at all, the default agent gets the message and the default is main. Always main unless you change it. The match field can include several keys, channel, the messaging platform, account ID when you have multiple accounts of the same channel, peer when you want to match a specific user or group, parent, peer for thread inheritance routing, guild ID for Discord guilds, roles for Discord role-based matching, team ID for Slack teams. That is the full set, more or less. Rules combine with A&D semantics. So if a rule has match channel Discord plus match guild ID some guild plus match roles dev, then a message has to be from Discord in that specific guild from a user with the dev role for the rule to fire. All 3 conditions, not any of them, all of them, and if 2 rules tie at the same specificity tier, the first one in configuration order wins. So order matters when you have got overlapping rules. Worth remembering. In the next lesson, we look at one specific routing pattern, channel account to agent mapping. That is what you reach for when you have got multiple Slack workspaces or multiple Discord accounts and you want each one bound to a different agent. See you there.